Okay, so we have gotten to a very, very cold, wet day. We are in the 40s right now, morning, and it is really, really wet. So I definitely have a lot of stuff that I need to do. And then we're gonna feed a little bit and see what else needs to be done.
Ready to count.
Bubba, look.
And the finished awesome handle. Not amazing? So cool. So, every animal loves a sweet feed. Big time. I can't even get it out of the cup. And you will hear our dog howling in the background. It is not wolves. It is our Malamute. Neighbor dog is in heat. So he's been howling and whining at night and day and waking us up to get out to get to the female. Can't even get the food into the bowl here. Today on Bubba Chicken.
Bubba Chicken?
Today on Bubba's Chickens.
I'm Bubba Chicken.
No.
Okay,
Today on Bubba's
I'm
Chickens.
Charlie off. Today, Patty broke the egg. You can't fall from the side.
Alright, so what we're working on right now is adding another heating lamp for the babies. And the babies are in this small, we actually reused this cute little kid house. So we're going to go ahead and add an additional light because unfortunately we've lost 2 babies in 2 days. And they're under a month old. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that they have enough heat and new food. And make sure we don't lose anybody else. They're starting to fly out of the bucket. This heat lamp is hot. So here's what it looks like. You can see behind me. Got the heat lamps going to be hanging down with a whole bunch of straw and their feeders and their waters. Okay, so here's what we got. We got it all plugged in on the outside, and then on the inside you can see there's a piece of wood up there, and then we have the 2 heating lamps hooked up, and then the straw and the feed and the water and everything mixed in together there. And then he's holding the chickens. Now we need to put them back. Again, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'd love to hear comments from you guys.